you see, the violence, aggression is the maximization of that separative psych I, like mind. So, and that separative psych I is a result of fictitious duality in the inner consciousness, which I was explaining, and I will again explain during the teaching today. So, so Kriya Yoga, actually the Kriya techniques, that rectifies that neurological defect in which the human beings have run into. The defect of creating duality where there is no duality. There is duality outside between me and my glass of water. And therefore I can handle this, I can drink, I can keep it, I can do anything I like, manage this. But this duality does not exist when I am handling my psychological problem. There this I and the problem, there are no two. I is the problem. Not that I have a problem or I have no problem. I is the problem. This is difficult to understand because of our conditioning that when there is a duality here, why not duality there? And particularly because of this belief system that I am a soul waiting for the Savior to save me. Or if I am a Hindu, I am going to take birth after birth. All such stupid things are going on. Nobody knows anything. Nobody can know anything. It is all the activity of that illusion I, that psyche. And this is good here, outside, very useful. It helps us to function in the world. But that becomes a disaster inside. So nobody understands that it is the I is the problem. When we talk about freedom, we talk about the freedom of this illusion I to run into all kinds of mischiefs and indulgence. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. So this is the freedom of I. I can make, I can exploit others, make millions of dollars, keep other people hungry and eat so much wealth. I can do anything, even in the name of ideal communism. That is also I. See, all these things, the freedom of the, what we talk about freedom, we talk about the freedom of the indulgence of the I, the mischief of the I, the manipulation, maneuvers of the I. But do we have the freedom to surrender this I? This is a big question. That's the real freedom. That's the first and last freedom. That is the most divine freedom that one can have. The freedom to be available to the dimension of surrender of this illusion. It is an illusion. And we have no freedom to surrender. We get more and more complicated in it. We are getting more and more bound by it. We have no freedom to surrender this I. And that is the greatest freedom. And that freedom is the most holiest of holy freedom. And we don't have that freedom. And we talk of freedom. All that freedom that we are talking about is indulgence of I. Not the evidence of I to be available to universal intelligence. That we don't have. So, in Kriya Yoga, we are talking about that freedom, the most fundamental freedom which should happen to human being. And if that happens, this planet can be a paradise. The heaven can be right here. You don't have to imagine a heaven outside.